How to fix Android frozen unresponsive or stuck screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to fix a frozen, unresponsive or stuck screen on your Android device. So let's dive in. First of all, force restart your device. Press and hold the power button on your device for 5 seconds and this forces your device by swiping or sliding towards restart and often results temporarily freezes on your device. Now after restarting, check for any pending updates. Open settings. Using the search bar, you need to type in update and you will see the list of update where you need to choose software update. And you have to install any available updates. You can even clear your device cache if there is any cache available. After that, you need to check your space and free up the space. A lack of storage can cause freezing, so you can easily come to settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap about device. Now check for storage. You need to simply delete unused application photos or videos to free up space. Now finally, if all this fails, you can perform a factory reset. For that, come back to the settings section and tap the search bar and type in reset. Here you will get the option to reset your phone. Tap reset phone and here you need to tap erase all data. Enter your lock screen password. Before that, make sure you back up your data first and after that you can erase all your data. This will factory reset your device and then fix your screen issue. I hope this guide worked and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.